How's it, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoy it. So the car issues continues with the SL, where she was parked. Evidence of oil, this close to the diff, and evidence of oil that could be by the gearbox side. But there's covers underneath, so it might be misleading. So we need to get her up in the air. Oh, this one is still for sale. 25,000 euros. That's nothing, guys. Come on, running and driving. Good showpiece. Restoration project. Guys, thank you very much for viewing, and for those of you that haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and enjoy the show. So we're taking off the wheels. This just gives us more access to things we need to take off, and it allows us to drop the car a lot lower. We're kind of taking shit apart and seeing what else is broken. Next, removing this grill. 2 screws, it looks like 10. There's some pieces broken here. I'm gonna glue shit together and try and fix it a bit. I think I can get it fixed. There you can see a little bit broken, but I'm gonna try and fix it. The damage to the bumper, I think that can be repaired. Yes, there's this damage which I can repair. It's behind the grill, so no one can see it. And then obviously clips in here, which I'm sure I can mend. Gives me a reason to wrap some shit as well. Then, so here's all the broken bits. These plastic channel brackets, don't really know what to call them. They're behind the grill. I'm gonna fix parts of them and see how far I can go, but I don't have a clue what the originals look like. The grill, I've got all the main pieces to fix that and make that look a bit better. And then the bumper, we're gonna repair that bit there and fix that bit there. And that would be the front of it. See there is a clip missing, another clip missing, so I might as well get new ones of them. But that's how she looks. I don't have a clue what this is. This is me spraying Q20. I don't know what this is, so I spray Q20 just to get it loose. Looking for a part number so I can search what that is. And again, a clip here is missing. bonnet. I don't know yet what to do with it. I reckon I want to leave it like it. Just sort it out so I can open and close again. Next up, this thing is stuck. Get this open. Hey, I'm on the lift. I shouldn't be doing shit, I guess. That plate there, big plate, I'm gonna take off, and that should release the tail for us to get it out. Bumper doesn't look too bad. I should be able to mend it, get it working again, looking better again, whatever you want to call it. I should be able to, we will see. But that needs to be stripped. We've got the tow bar, that looks all good. So there you can see the kink in the chassis. I cleared before this knuckle. So it's just that part, and obviously the pin bolts onto that part, and also the tow bar. The same this side. There's a nice kink, and this piece is all squiff, and that's where the bin mounts. So I'm sure if we take the bin off and get those pieces straightened, everything will fit again. On the bumper side, the frame has got a lacquer bend over here. Nicely bent. Can't really see, but if you look at it from an angle, that post is straight up and this one leans forward, so we need to twist it back. And on the front, we've mended the grille. Obviously there's now a couple of imperfections. The bumper has got a damage. We mended this crack. It's all solid now. It's just evidence of the crack. Haven't painted anything. The bonnet still needs to be done. But fuck it. It's a bucky. She needs to look cock. On the back we pushed things out a little bit, so now we can open it, which is good enough for me. Now we must just figure out how to straighten those chassis so we can put the bumper and things back on. So confirmed. On sale, we've got nice wet underbelly, and it looks like it's starting here from the front already. So we'll dig in some more. That is it, guys, for tonight. The Ford is going to wait a bit. It's going to cost money. The SS is costing money. I hope I can fix that without spending too much money. And the C-Class is costing money. So guys, please subscribe, like, share, comment, fucking anything. Buy this one, and we'll get back to the SS in the next episode. Thank you. Good night.